Here with my 1974 Chevy pickup, short bed, factory 454 big block with a few little aftermarket add-ons, but it came with factory AC. The compressor is not installed right now, but I have that. But as you can see, it has power steering and power disc brakes. Gotta have the Optima battery, of course. Aluminum radiator. I drove it just down the street here to take some pictures, but I wanted to just film a quick startup so you can hear it running. So it's warm but not hot. So let's see. So fired right up. As you can see, it runs good. Idle's good. It's got a new fuel pump on it, new alternator, new wires and plugs, and has an HEI distributor on it. It's been rebuilt. Just had the brakes done, so it stops good. New brake fluid. Let's check out that exhaust. It's a Dynamax muffler with 3-inch single exhaust. I like it because it's quiet at idle, so you're not annoying all your neighbors, but when you open it up, it definitely breathes. Sounds nice. Got these 32-inch EF Goodrich tires on here. They're pretty new with some mag wheels. It's got these cool sport mirrors. Those are stock. Cheyenne Super. As you can see, the paint's older. Beds, not too bad. There's your NP203 shifter. 4-wheel drive works well. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood tape player. Sort of a period modification, I think, so I just left it alone. Truck's got new shocks on all 4 corners. Some, let's see if I can get a picture of it there. Some Bilsteins. The front and rear diffs have just been serviced. So you got new fluid in there, new gaskets. Has a new drive shaft, new rear drive shaft. Here's those Bilstein shocks. You can see the headers right there. Those are some Doug Thorley tri-Y headers. Really cool looking headers. New steering stabilizer. Got some new bushings here too. As you can see, no leaks though. See the oil pan there. Nice and dry. There's a transfer case. That was leaking a little bit when I got it. Turns out it had a little crack in it, and I exchanged it for a rebuilt NP203 transfer case. Factory, short bed, big block, fleetside, original California car. I forgot to mention before, but it has Willwood disc brakes on it, and man, stops good. Muffler will set off a few car alarms. People seem to like this truck. Even people that don't know anything about cars think it looks cool. Pretty much every time I stop at a gas station, somebody's asking me if I want to sell it. Let's take her out on the freeway and see. Kind of a treacherous freeway here in LA. So this is with the throttle half down. You can see She gets up to speed, no problem. We got some bigger tires on here, so the speedo's about 13% low, if you want to do the math. But cruises no problem. The nice thing is, got those modern brakes on here. You know, if you're going to drive in modern traffic, I would say more important than power is brakes. Willwood 4-piston calipers and some Willwood rotors. Stops good, cruises good. I've driven this thing everywhere, Southern California. All right, I'm gonna get off now, but I hope you enjoyed this video.